Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Beauty with the Karla Sisters. Just in case if you don't know who I am, my name is Karla, and yeah, welcome to our channel. So today I came up with this eye look, and if you want to see how I recreate it, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already primed my eyelids. I used the Heart Candy eyeshadow primer, this one. Eye is the limit, that's what it's called. So that's what I use, and it's my first time using it, so I'm gonna see how it works. But yeah, for right now it looks good. But yeah, anyway, so today I'm gonna be working also with this palette. I know it's all messy and everything, but yeah, I'm working with this palette, and I'm gonna be using mostly the red colors and the pinky and this one. But maybe there's more colors I might use, but this is a palette I'm gonna be working with today. I'm gonna start with tape. Okay, I'm back with the tape. Just in case if you don't know how to apply the tape, like you start from the inner corner, the outer corner right here, and you literally put it like where the point of your eyebrow ends, and that's how you know where exactly to put it. The shade I'm gonna be using is this one right here, and it's called Burnt Orange for my transition shade.
Till I get up.
I'm done with that shade. We are gonna go in with a little bit darker, which is Real Gore. This one right here.
Real Gore.
Real Gore. Real Gore.
Real Gore.
Real Gore. I don't know. This shade.
I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
I'm gonna go in with this one right here, and this one's called Red Ochre, this one, and then I'm gonna be mixing in with a little bit of this one. You can go a little bit lower. It doesn't really matter because right now at the end we're gonna do a half cut crease, so it doesn't matter if you get it messy. This one, and it's called Ombre Umber, something like that. Yeah, we're gonna use that, and we're just gonna put it in the outer corner right here just to intensify the eyeshadows.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
After finishing the eyeshadows, we can take off the tape like that, like that. Okay, and that's what you should have right now. Going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in shade Light Ivory, I'm gonna do a half cut crease.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
pink pigment. I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's pink, and it has it's pink, and it has like gold glitter. Okay, with this kind of brush, I'm gonna apply it, and I'm just gonna spray it a little bit, intensify that eyeshadow.
Yeah, no, sun rays, and on we'll go.
I have a whole tube of eyeshadows. They don't have the brand name, but they don't have the brand name, so I can't tell you exactly where to get them. But like I said, any pigment that you have that is pink and yellow, because we're gonna be using this yellow in the inner corner. Now, as you can see, I have a little bit of pink that it just like a harsh line. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the same brown that I used, and I'm just gonna try to blend it out a little bit more.
I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
Just gonna put mascara on and some falsies. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Great Lash in black.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, lashes are on. Okay, now we're gonna do the lower lash and we're done. So for the lower lash, I'm just gonna go in with the burnt orange, this color, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of red ochre, and then lastly in the outer corner, just in the bottom outer corner, I'm gonna be using the Cypress Umber.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
Lastly, for my inner corner, just to give it a little pop, I'm gonna be using this shade called Primavera in my inner corner and on my brow bone with this type of brush. With the eyes, this is the final look, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of setting spray, and yeah, we're finished with the look. Just to dry it faster. If you're wondering where I got this, I got it at Dollar Tree, so $1, can't beat that, right? So yeah, this is the final look. Yeah, she left. She's trying to do it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really enjoyed creating this look for y'all, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you have any more ideas of what future videos should I do? Comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload new videos. Bye.
We'll go